Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we have a very exciting unboxing. We have three models, what I hope is three models. We should have the two new NG models, the Southwest 737, the United 737, and we have a Gemini Jets 757-300. So this will be exciting. So let's get this unboxing going. I will have to, what am I gonna do? Am I gonna put, no, can't put it there. Okay, and we'll just cut to the having the box. Bam. Okay. Okay, so box is actually a little damaged here. Move what I used to cut the box open. Box is, a little damaged here. Hope that doesn't affect the models at all. But let's open it. Let's see what we got. Still working out the situation for the stand. So open the box. Here we go. We have the iconic plastic or the paper on the top of the model or on the top of the box, making sure the models aren't enclosed. Looks like the Southwest is on top. Very nice. So here's the box of it. Right here in the packaging. Very warm. So here's the Southwest. Here's the United. Southwest United and finally, in here, got the receipt, of course, and then the Delta 757. Okay. Nothing else in the box. Let's move that over here. Now, I'm going to unbox the, hello Doug. I'm going to unbox the 757 first, mainly because it is not a new aircraft. This is a 2020 release, so last year basically. Just gonna move that. So, here's the box presentation. You have the clip art of the aircraft in the middle. You have, these are not part of the box. I don't know what that is. You have the Gemini Jets logo on the top, made for collectors by collectors. Boeing 757-300, this is my favorite version, it's the longer version. You have the big Delta with the Sky Team logo, 1/400 scale die-cast model aircraft. On the side, same as any Gemini Jets box, just with the 757 and the 757-300 and the clip art of the aircraft. Same here on the back, as real as it gets. There's their socials. And Boeing licensed products, 757. So, not gonna look at the model, we're gonna look at the stats. The Boeing 757-200, and then the 757 is the longest version. Here's the stats of the aircraft. Let me try to get that glare out of there for you. Take a minute to read that, what it is all about. Sorry for the shaky hands. And then here's the model itself in the box. Looks good in the box, so let's get it opened. Right, I'm gonna go for this, the other side that was partially opened. All right, there is a little dent in the box, I just realized that. Okay, so opening the box, move that there. Here it is. Open this, and also make sure to keep your boxes intact, just in case you have to move or just relocate an aircraft. So take the plastic seal off, very nice, and the model itself. So first inspections, just gonna bring that down. Okay, first inspections of the model. It seems very good. If my camera can focus on the nose there. So we have the nose cone here, cockpit windows. I'm gonna move back just a bit more and maybe just zoom in a bit. You have the Wi-Fi hub here, the first antenna, L1 door, Sky Team logos, and the Delta with their logo right there. L2 door, the big stretch. You have the engines there, landing gear there, winglet there, the another emergency exit door, which looks different than the other ones. It's weird. You have the second antenna, and then November 5, 8, 6 November whiskey. The final exit door, the Delta tail, and then the APU. Just try to get that to focus. There we go. So let's look on the at the front view of the aircraft. You can see very nice engine details for sure. It's a very long aircraft for sure too. Let's flip it over, being careful about the model. You have the nose gear, Boeing 757-300. You have the first cargo door, the Delta logo there, the Gemini Jets logo, both wings, and the back of the aircraft with the APU doors. So, really nice aircraft. I am glad I bought this. This will be flying from LA to either Hawaii or maybe Detroit or Seattle even possibly. I know Delta's starting to do Seattle to LA on the 757-200, not the 300. So let's get these boxes. I'm gonna put the plastic piece in. So I'll cut this. I'll just cut out until I put that back in. Okay, there we go. Now next model will be the I'm worried about this one. My friend actually, he got one of these and it said it was broken, so I'm gonna save this one to last. So let's do the United 737-700 by NG. So here's the box, the front of the box. You have the United Gold. Now, some people are saying the gold is a little too bright, but I haven't actually looked at it yet, so I'll see for myself. You have the normal United right there, 737-700. Then you have the clip art of the aircraft, 737-700 NG. Same on that side, and this side is blue due to the fact of the coloring of this. So that's the blue with the clip art. Then basically same thing as the front, but you have their socials there, Boeing license, product, and warning, small parts. So let's open this up as well. It's always hard to open boxes with one hand. So let's get this bad boy opened. And looks good in the box. And little cradle. You have 1 in 400 right there. Don't know if you can see that. There you go, get a little glare on it. 1 in 400, 737-700. There we go, simple pop-up. Remove the plastic casing. And here's the model itself. Wow, okay. They did really good with this model. So, the new NG 737-700 model. Here it is. It looks really good. It looks bright here just because there's a little sunlight coming in. Like if I move my hand, you can see it goes dark a little bit. So let's start off at the nose, of course, like always. So zoom in. We have the nose cone here. You can barely see the line. Cockpit windows, the Star Alliance logo. L1 door. Big United titles. You have one antenna down here. You have your engines. You have the other exit door here and your antenna here. You have your landing gear here. Right there, 2 more red antennas. You have the split scimitars, which I really like. You have the Wi-Fi box up there, Wi-Fi hub. And then you have November 16732. And then you have the final exit, and then you have the United logo on the tail, the dark blue. So here's a front view of the aircraft. Very nice. Engines look good. Not don't look weird or anything like that. Split scimitars look really good too. Here's an overview of the aircraft. So you can see you have the wing lines and everything. And the underside of the aircraft. Just be careful with the aircraft itself. There's no really, I don't know if there's any safe way to do this. So, really nice detail. They have the chrome, basically, I don't know if it's chrome or not, but the silver lining on the bottom of the aircraft. They have the cargo door. Let me get this. Cargo door here. You have your inlets here, engines, engine exhaust, landing gear, which do roll both sides. You have the engine, the wing pods, aft two antennas, the other cargo door, and then the APU door. Looks really good. I do like the United old livery on some aircraft better than the new livery. As the time of making this video, they did just release the new livery 737-700s, which I'm not planning to get. I haven't seen a lot of 737-700s with the new livery. It's mostly the old livery like this, so I'm gonna stick with just this one. And so yeah, next we have the, I'm gonna put this box back, and I'm gonna grab my Southwest NG 737-800 just to compare the sizes. All right, got that box back together. Now time to open the Southwest 737-700. I was really excited to see that they released one. I'm hoping to see if they release the Heart livery. They haven't in the recent update, but hopefully they will be doing that shortly. So here is the box. Sorry for the glare. It's really bad glare. Normal box has you have the blue, I guess like yellow band, orange, yellow band again, and orange. Or I think actually red and then orange. There we go. So you have the Boeing 737 title up here once again. You have the clip art of the aircraft, the NG logo. You have registration November 259 Whiskey November. The license by Boeing, and I know they had some licensing problems with the 900. You have the Southwest logo here and the gold, the 737-700 NG logo. Back of the aircraft, same thing. Socials right there. You have the, again, Southwest in the back. Very nice looking box for sure. They always do really good with their boxes. And the clip art of the aircraft. There we go. So, enough of the box. Let's get this, again, plane out of it. So, it's always difficult to grab these things. Especially trying not to ruin the box. There we go. Okay, could have done better on that opening, but it's fine. So, let's not flip this thing around. Let's get it. Nice. And opened just like that. Okay, examine it. Make sure nothing's missing. It looks good. Let's continue. Woohoo! Okay, let's get it out of the cradle here. It's an easy pop out. Okay, maybe it's not so easy after all. Okay, there we go, easy pop out. Plastic covering once again on the top, and then the actual aircraft here. Looking fantabulous. NG is very, very good at their models. I'm not gonna say, NG is better than Gemini. I'm not gonna start that fight, but both companies are really good. So let's get onto the review. So here with the nose, Again, you have the nose cone. That's a little problem right there, I'm just noticing. I don't know if it's on both sides or not. It is not. It's only on that one side. Move back a bit. Come on, you can focus. There we go. You can see how it's not a chip in the paint because there's still paint under it, but I don't think that's going to bother me saying how small the aircraft is. But I don't know, for people like you, like anyone out there, if you don't like that. So you have the L1 antenna, engine, antenna, emergency exit, Wi-Fi hub, your 2 antennas at the bottom, your landing gear with the red caps, your split skim with the word Southwest on it. I don't know, you can't see it. And then you have the tail here again with the registration. The top of the aircraft looks a little different from the United one. And then I'm gonna just pick it up like this. The bottom of the aircraft, you have the, come on, focus. You have the nose gear, main gear, the red wing pods, the red belly, the orange stripe, and then the final blue. Otherwise, besides the little defect on the window, on the cockpit window, it doesn't look that bad. I'll grab my 700 here, or no, my 800, put it next to the 700 just for a size comparison. So there it is. So here's the 800 and the 700 here. I don't think anything else is different with the aircraft, just it's a longer. Yeah, tails are the same. They don't actually have the anti-skid on this one. I don't know what does the, yeah, they don't have the anti-skid, which is surprising. I think maybe only the 800s do, but otherwise looks really good. You know, you can't, only way to tell them apart is the size, but like coloring is still the same. They're on point with that. So, thank you. If you are watching this, thank you for sticking to the end. I hope you enjoyed. And I'm gonna put this piece back in just so we can get I guess what you see when you click on the video. I forgot what it's called. Thumbnail. There we go. Yeah, thumbnail. So let's grab the thumbnail now. Just putting the box back together. Okay, this is how you do it. This is how everyone does it. So you angle. Actually, here, let's make it like even. So this one will go here. That goes there. That goes there. Make sure it looks good. That goes there. Make sure that's in the middle. And there we go. All 3 models. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.